Friends, I made a DIY 3D printer entirely made with aluminium. Mostly 99% parts is made with aluminium, and I will walk you through each of the part. I took almost one month to build it, but I'm not happy with the result. As you can, let me show you the result of the print is not very good. I have tried everything, calibrating. I have tried to calibrate every possible ways, but it did not give me the proper result. So I'm upgrading it to the hyper evaluation, only the XY part. Let me show you the printer first very closely. This is the part. This all the adapters and clamps you can see are off, except from this acrylic based. All other things are based on aluminium. I'm using 2020 aluminium extrusion, and you can see this everything is aluminium based or either CNC cutted. I used some parts that is I have cut it with my CNC CNC machine. It is a P2 4450 ultra CNC machine, desktop based. So I use this to cut some of the parts of the printer, and everything is based on aluminium. Nothing 12 mm rod I'm using for the y-axis and 8 mm for the x-axis, and Z you can see 3 motors I'm using. And for the electronics I'm using 2 wrap 1.4 because one did not have enough motor ports. That's why I have to use 5, and it is based on clipper. I am using my Raspberry Pi 3B to run the whole thing, and 2 power supply I'm using 24 volt and 12 volt. 24 volt is using for heat bed, and 12 volt is supplying the entire thing. And this is the overall look of the printer. It is a very big. I did not measure. I just made a square, square. It is 500 by 500 by 500. Frame is 500 by 500 by 500, while its print area is 300 by 300, 330 by 330 by 350, because the heat bed is 330 something new glow company's heat bed, and 350 it can print up to this height. And so this is the printer overall. I'm using Titan extruder.